Hello students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel School Studies. Now you might be thinking why to subscribe my channel School Studies. In this channel you will get daily one video related to different topic or subject such as English grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics and science, which will help you to understand and learn more. Today we will see a video related to science subject. In that today's topic is NCERT solution for class 8 science chapter 17 stars and the solar system. Before starting with the textbook exercise, let's do the summary of the chapter. The phases of moon occur because we can see only that part of the moon which reflects the light of the sun towards us. Stars are celestial bodies that emit light on their own. Our sun is also a star. It is convenient to express distance of stars in light years. Stars appear to move from east to west. The pole star appears to be the stationary from the earth because it is situated close to the direction of the axis of rotation of the earth. Constellations are group of stars that appear to form recognizable shapes. The solar system consists of 8 planets and host of asteroids, comets and meteors. A body revolving around another body is called a satellite. Moon is the natural satellite of Earth. Some planets also have natural satellites. Venus is the brightest star in the night sky. Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. The artificial satellites revolve around the Earth. They are much closer than the Moon. Artificial satellites are used for weather forecasting, long distance communication, and remote sensing. Now let's do the exercise of the textbook. Which of the following is not a member of the solar system? That is constellation. Which of the following is not a planet of the sun? It is Ceres. Phases of the moon occur because we can see only one part of the moon which reflects light towards us. Fill in the blanks. The planet which is farthest from the sun is Neptune. The planet which appears reddish in color is Mars. The group of stars that appears to form a pattern in the sky is known as constellation. The celestial body that revolves around a planet is called a satellite. Shooting stars are actually not meteors. Asteroids are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Mark true or false. Pole star is a member of the solar system. False. Mercury is the smallest planet of the solar system. True. Uranus is the farthest planet in the solar system. False. InSat is an artificial satellite. True. There are 9 planets in the solar system. False. Now it is only 8 planets in the solar system. Constellation Orion can be seen only with a telescope. False. Now match. We have to match with column A items with column B. So let's see the solution. Inner planet Earth and Mars. Outer planet Saturn. Constellation Great Bear and Orion. Satellite of the Earth, Moon. Next question. In which part of the sky can you find Venus if it is visible as an evening star? The answer is western sky. Name the largest planet of the solar system. That is Jupiter. What is constellation? Name any 2 constellation. Constellation is a group of stars that appear to form some recognizable shape. For example, Ursa Major and Orion. Now we have to draw the sketch. So this is Ursa Major, and this is Orion. Next, name two objects other than planets which are members of the solar system. So it is comets and asteroids. Explain how you can locate the pole star with the help of a Ursa Major. Pole star can be located with the help of two stars at the end of Ursa Major. Imagine a straight line passing through these stars as shown in. Extend this imaginary line towards the north direction. This line which led to a star which is not bright. This is pole star. Next, do all the stars in the sky move? Explain. No, stars actually do not move, but they only appear to move from east to west, as the earth from where we see them rotates from west to east. However, pole star, which is situated in the direction of the earth's axis, does not appear to move. Next, why is the distance between stars expressed in light years? What do you understand by the statement that a star is 8 light years away from the earth? Sun is nearly 150 million kilometers away from the earth. The next nearest star to the earth after the sun is Alpha Centauri. It is at a distance of about 40 billion kilometers from the earth. Some stars are even more further away. It is not convenient to express such distance in kilometer. Such large distances can be expressed in another unit known as light year. 1 light year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. If we say that a star is 8 light year away from the earth, it means that the light from that star will reach the earth in 8 years. Next question. The radius of Jupiter is 11 times the radius of Earth. Calculate the ratio of volumes of Jupiter and Earth. How many Earths can Jupiter accommodate? So let radius of the Earth be R unit. Volume of Earth 4 by 3 pi r cube. And radius of Jupiter 11 r. Volume of Jupiter is 4 by 3 pi bracket 11 r whole bracket cube. Now we will find the volume of Jupiter upon volume of Earth. So 4 by 3 will cut pi. So the value of pi is 1331. So we have put in the values and then we will solve. The answer will be 1033 1. That is 1331. Now, next, Bujo made the following sketch of the solar system. Is it sketch correct? If not, correct it. It is not correct. Figure is a correct sketch of a solar system. So this was exercise